Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the third lesson of SST, how the earth moves. Now, what are the two movements of earth? The two movements of earth are rotation and revolution. Now, before I start explaining rotation and revolution, students, let me tell you a funny thing. In earlier time, the people used to think, ancient time, people used to think that earth is center of the solar system and sun moves round the earth on its orbit. This is earlier, but this is what? This is a wrong concept later on proved. Right? So what is the present modern studies says? Modern studies says that sun is at center and all the planets orbit round the sun or revolves round the sun on its own orbit. Similarly, earth also has its own orbit on around the sun on which it moves. Okay, this is our earth. On this orbit, the earth will move and it will never go out of its orbit and start moving in another's orbit, like you all. So while you are leaving your assembly hall and you move towards the classroom, you never come out of your line and join class 2's line or class 10's line. Will you do that? You will stay in your own line. That is your orbit. Similarly, earth will not come out and join Neptune's orbit or Jupiter's orbit. It will stay in its orbit. So this is called the orbit of earth. Now, there are two types of movements, as I said, the rotation and revolution. Now, students, I am sending you two other videos along with this video. The first video will show you what is rotation of earth and the how rotation of earth causes day and night. And the second video will show the revolution of earth on its own orbit and the change of season due to revolution of the earth. Watch the video carefully. It's a wonderful video which will deport you to the to our universe, like out of our earth into space, from where you can see the galaxy in which around the sun the earth is moving on its own orbit, showing clearly how once in a day India faces sun and how in the same day it moves on the other side of the earth and it faces night time, okay, due to rotation. So go ahead, student, and watch it.